Right, welcome back. Let's do question 9b1. We are required to prove this identity. What we have here, we have the left hand side and the right hand side. And then if you check, the left hand side looks more complicated, so it means we have to work on it. So let's work on the left hand side. We have sine theta, then tan theta is what? Is sine theta over cos theta, right? And then divided by, and then tan 2 theta is going to be sine 2 theta over cos 2 theta, and then 1 minus, then tan squared theta is going to be sine squared theta over cos squared theta, like this. Usually I prefer writing this in this form. If I'll say this will give us what? Sine squared theta over cos theta. This is like over 1. And then sine theta times sine theta, that is sine squared theta over cos theta, isn't it? Right, I prefer writing it like this and then divided by. Okay, if you do this, I think it becomes better. We have sine 2 theta over cos 2 theta, and then 1 minus sine squared theta over cos squared theta, like that. Alright, let's try to simplify this part. So it's going to be sine squared theta or cos theta. Okay, that is coming from this, right? And then divided by, and then sine 2 theta over cos 2 theta, that is the denominator there. And then 1 becomes what? Becomes cos squared theta over cos squared theta. One, the denominator has to be the same, so 1 is like cos squared theta over cos squared theta minus sine squared theta over cos squared theta, right? So we can further simplify this, so it becomes sine squared theta over cos theta divided by, then sine 2 theta over cos 2 theta, then times what? Now the denominators are the same, we can subtract the numerator, that is cos squared theta minus sine squared theta. All this over cos squared theta, right? If you check this part and this, it's just one thing, isn't it? Remember, cos 2 theta is cos squared theta minus sine squared theta. So it's either we change cos 2 theta to cos squared theta minus sine squared theta, or we change cos squared theta minus sine squared theta to cos 2 theta. Right, so it becomes sine squared theta over cos theta divided by, then sine 2 theta over cos 2 theta, in times cos 2 theta over cos squared theta, right, like that. And then now cos 2 theta divided by cos 2 theta is 1, so we remain with sine squared theta over cos theta divided by sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta is what? Is 2 sine theta cos theta over cos squared theta, like this. Okay, and keep in times here, so sine squared theta over cos theta times cos squared theta over 2 sine theta cos theta. Alright, what do we have here? Cos theta into cos squared theta will remain with sine squared theta over 1 times cos theta over 2 sine theta cos theta. Then sine theta into sine squared theta will remain with sine theta over 1 times cos theta over 2 cos theta. You can do it in a shorter way here. You can skip some of these steps. Then cos theta into cos theta is 1, so we remain with sine theta over 2, which is just same as the right hand side, which is sine theta over 2. So we've managed to prove that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side.